Ouch. That hurts. Ouch. Ouch. That hurts. Oh, do you want to go have fun in my playhouse? Yeah, of course. Come on, let's go. Wait. Okay, now we're up. Where's he gone? Oh my God, I can't find Roger. I'm right down here, you Dumbo. Is he? Oh, he is. Anyway, do you want to go down the slide? I begs first, then. Wait for me. Wahoo! Way! That was fun, right? Yeah, that was so much fun. I want to go again. Squawk, squawk. Did you hear that? That sounded like a parrot. Why do you always drop me? This is my trampoline. Let's bounce. Wee. This is a lot of fun. Yee. Wee. Oh my God. Stop bouncing. Ah. Squawk. I heard that. Okay, let's go check. Now, where is this bird? Dun. I don't see anything either. What the frick? Maybe we just heard it. I don't think we just heard it. I think there's a parrot here. Anywhere in this place. Come on, let's just go. Okay. Stop. Do you smell that? It smells like burns. Oh my God, there's a parrot. Ah! Squawk, I'm gonna get you. Ah! Woohoo! Pow! I found you, Roger. He's attacking me. Help! Roger, you okay? Yeah, get under, quick! Whew.